Knowing your customer is essential for a successful business. Only then can you market your products and services ideally. And WhatsApp is the perfect, fast and direct communication channel for gaining valuable insights from customers. You can either survey satisfaction with your products and services or shape in your customer profile. Either way, with customer surveys via WhatsApp, you'll definitely be a step ahead of your competition. And with the template I'm about to show you, it's done in just a few clicks. To access the template, select the Customer Support and Service category from the template gallery, and then the template titled Customer Survey, Valuable Insights for Your Business. Here a pop-up will open and you can see the template in action and even try it out yourself via the QR code. To use it for yourself, click the button at the bottom left. Now the automations builder will open and you'll see the automation already fully built for you. Additionally, there is a note element to the left of the automation that shows you what you can use the automation for and how to set it up. We'll go through these steps together now. First, you need to select your WhatsApp account as the communication channel in the first note. You can customize the message content in the next note as you like, because this is the keyword that appears pre-filled in WhatsApp for your contacts when they scan the QR code for the automation or click on the link. In the next step, we start the conversation with a welcome message and a button through which contacts can start the survey. If you click on the node, you can adjust both as you like. Then we come to the questions. We have already built a flow that provides you with information about your customer satisfaction. But you can also adjust the questions and answer to fit your needs. You can also delete whole questions or add new ones. Just remember to reconnect the nodes correctly. At the end of the automation, we ask for reasons for or against a recommendation, depending on the answer the customer chose in the last question. Then there is a final message and the automation ends. You can rename the automation as you like or go live directly by clicking the button at the top right. To make the automation available, you can copy the link or QR code to the automation after publishing and use it wherever this flow is relevant. For example, in an Instagram story on your website or as a printed QR code in your store or office. After scanning or clicking, your customers are automatically directed into a chat with you with the trigger word pre-filled and they just need to send it. The automation starts right away.